going to go and see some Christmas decorations, just have like a walk around in B&M. We're going to like a really big B&M. But yeah, that's what we're doing this morning. And it's cold. It's bloody freezing. It's cold. Really had to get out the puffer coat. The puffer coat is out. Do we need more Christmas decorations? No. But do we want more? Yes. So we've got about 20 minutes journey and we will be there. And we're here. There's like unlimited stuff here. Unlimited stuff. I'm trying to find the Christmas stuff, but there's so much stuff. Oh, that's cute. Very like rustic. J'aime bien ça. I have this. I think I actually bought mine from B&M. Mirrors. We're in the kitchen storages section. Oh, look at that. Actual hot water bottles. C'est quoi ça? C'est un boisson.
Ah mais je crois que je vais boire tout le temps moi.
Oh, regarde ça. What is this? Is this a cup? Le pied d'une vieille.
J'adore. Je comprends pas ce que c'est pour. Je sais pas si c'est pas une odeur, je pense que c'est naturel mais ça.
Ça là?
Ouais.
Have you smelled this? And you said it smells like old lady's foot. It actually does stink. But that gingerbread cup was so cute. They even have a Christmas tree one. That's very tempting. That is very tempting. Regarde ça. C'est une tasse avec un bouchon. Sure. I think I might get this. I love like brown Christmas gift wrapping paper. We're in the Christmas section finally. Finally, people. Got a whole Noel stand. Still Christmas trees. Unlimited stockings, honestly. Like, oh, J and A. That's literally our initials. Hey, viens voir. I can show you my nails. I got my Christmas nails. My hands are dry. I did put hand cream, but it's so cold. They're like crusty. Ooh, some cute ornaments. Is this glass? Oh, it's glass. I'd be too scared that it'd break. We're getting that. Get this. Should probably get one for our door, to be honest. This one's a heart light up one. It's £12. We got mini Christmas trees if you don't want to put like a whole one. Basically, we're getting this for the entrance. It's very small, so I need like small bubbles like these. But I think I want to go for this colour. We literally need something like this. We don't have a good star. Everything lights up on our tree except for the star, so we actually needed something like this. Anyways, we're gonna go to Till. It's my sister's birthday today and I'm getting ready for her birthday lunch, so get ready with me. Okay, first we're gonna put our jeans. I'm going for these white fox ones because we just can't go wrong. Like what? I'm gonna go for a black top today. This is the coat I'm gonna wear and I don't know if it goes well with the brown and the black. There's a lot of brown going on, so I feel like the black is gonna help balance it, to be honest. But we can't go wrong with a black top. And it's freezing. We have new trainers. Aren't they such a vibe? Look at that. I managed to get my hands on some bloody brown ones. I'm trying to get the maroon ones, I can't get them. But these, perfect for winter as well. So I'm gonna put these on. Okay, those are the trainers on. I'm obsessed. And we're gonna put the infamous brown suede coat, which I've been looking all over for. I bought so many and I was never happy with like the fit, the price, the quality. This one, it's a true teddy suede, okay? True teddy suede. Now that I put it on, I really don't know if I like the black. We're going with this grey top. It's from Naked. I literally got this coat from a Insta ad, I think. I got a size M. I think the M is like perfect. But yeah, I think this flows better. It's not as like contrasted. Now for the bag. The bag today is this. Again, same website as the coat. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? For perfume, I'm going to go in with the Kylie Eden perfume. It's a sparkling lychee. It smells so sweet and fruity, which I love. You just can't go wrong with it. I literally like to douse myself in this. So I'm going to head out now. Thanks for getting dressed with me. Hey guys, it's now the next day. It's my sister's birthday and we're going to go for her birthday lunch. We arrived at the restaurant and I ordered some pasta. It was proper raining. My umbrella flipped upside down and my hair got wet. My hair got wet. Mike Tyson in his underwear, like when he walked by.
He's like, I love you. He walks away.
Yeah, and he's in the thong. Cherry.
Do you want it?
Don't look like I'm going to be very nonsense like that.
What kind of men's line is this? We're on our way home now and the weather's just awful. What is that? Here we are home now and I just wanted to show you all the decorations my hubby put up. Literally went all out and it feels so magical in the house, like super like Christmassy. How pretty is that? And then we got the little baby Christmas tree that we bought the other day. I haven't really showed you guys it. It's really simple and tiny. We also have this. I need to turn it on. It's just ridiculous because it eats up the battery, so we need to find the wire for it. But it's so pretty when it's on. I just wanted to show you the decoration. And then when you come into the living room, this is what the Christmas tree looks like. That's the brown Father Christmas over there. Food was very, very nice. The restaurant was nice. Like honestly, we had a very nice meal. We also have to catch up on Arcane because the last 3 episodes have come out, so I think that might be one for tomorrow. But honestly, this day has flown by. Like literally woke up, filmed a bunch of content, got ready, then we had to go to the restaurant and we spent all afternoon there watching Moana with a cup of tea. Literally cannot wait to see the second one. We also did go see Wicked day before yesterday and guys, it was so good. I cried, I smiled, I laughed. I feel like all the actors did so well and the ending was just epic, so I definitely recommend it. It was a 10 out of 10 film. You just can't go wrong with it. I feel like I want to watch it again. I'm not going to do much today. Literally today is my rest day, so I'm going to end the vlog here. Hope you guys are all doing really well. Thanks for stopping by to watch the vlog and I will see you in my next one. Finish with a bit of Moana. Just sings to myself.